You aren't just there to assist, you're often the first person to notice when a student is stuck or starting to lose focus before the teacher even turns around. But there's a moment between doing the work and being recognized for it. That's not a gap in your ability, it's simply about having the credentials to match the experience you already have. Introducing Higher Level Teaching Assistant Preparation Training from IOMH. This training prepares you for the HLTA assessment and gives structured preparation. 6 modules built based on actual classroom situations from safeguarding, SEND, behaviour management, curriculum delivery, assessment practice, and the leadership skills that not just impact you, but also prepare you to embrace upcoming challenges. Remember, you're already doing the work. Now qualify with a CPE accredited certificate that acknowledges your credibility. No prior degrees are required, just your experience and the enthusiasm to take the next step. Enroll today at iomh.co.uk. Get recognition for what you've earned.